The silent struggle erectile dysfunction and its causes. Erectile dysfunction, or ED, is a common concern for men. It affects millions worldwide. ED is the inability to achieve or maintain an erection, which can make sexual intercourse difficult or even impossible. Many factors contribute to ED, including physical conditions like heart disease and diabetes. Psychological factors such as stress and anxiety also play a role. Medications, both recreational and prescribed, can significantly impact erectile function. It is essential to understand that ED is often a symptom of an underlying health issue. It's not something to be ashamed of. It's crucial to address ED with a healthcare professional. They can help determine the root cause and recommend appropriate treatment options. Ignoring ED can lead to worsening conditions and decreased quality of life. Seeking help is a sign of strength and a step towards reclaiming your sexual health. Open communication with your partner is also essential. It can help alleviate anxiety and foster understanding during this time. Recreational drugs might seem like a fun escape, but they can have a serious impact on your sexual health. Take MDMA, for example. While it might increase feelings of intimacy and lower inhibitions, it also constricts blood flow to the penis. This can sabotage your chances of achieving an erection. Mixing MDMA with ED medication is incredibly risky and can lead to dangerous side effects. Poppers, another popular recreational drug, can cause a sudden drop in blood pressure. This can lead to muscle relaxation throughout the body, including the sphincter, making it difficult to maintain an erection. Anabolic steroids, often used to enhance athletic performance, can wreak havoc on your hormone balance. This disruption can negatively affect your sexual function. It's crucial to remember that recreational drugs affect everyone differently. What might seem like a minor side effect for one person can be a significant issue for another. If you're experiencing ED and using recreational drugs, it's crucial to talk to your doctor. They can help you understand the risks involved and guide you towards safer choices. Prescription medications are meant to improve our health, but some come with an unexpected side effect: erectile dysfunction. Statins and fibrates, commonly prescribed to lower cholesterol, can interfere with testosterone and estrogen production. This hormonal imbalance can contribute to ED. Statins have also been linked to rhabdomyolysis, a condition causing muscle tissue breakdown, which can indirectly impact sexual function by causing fatigue and joint pain. Antihypertensives, used to manage high blood pressure, can also impact erectile function. Beta blockers, for instance, can limit increases in heart rate, which is essential for achieving an erection. Some alpha blockers can cause retrograde ejaculation, where semen enters the bladder instead of exiting the body through the penis. Antidepressants, especially SSRIs, are known to decrease libido and cause difficulty achieving orgasm. They can also delay ejaculation, making sexual intercourse less satisfying. If you're on any of these medications and experiencing ED, don't hesitate to talk to your doctor. They can help you explore alternative treatments or adjust your dosage to minimize side effects. The list of medications and substances that can contribute to ED is surprisingly long. Antidepressants, antihistamines, and even common pain relievers like NSAIDs can all play a role. Medications for Parkinson's disease, antiarrhythmics used to treat irregular heartbeats, and prostate cancer medications can also impact sexual function. Recreational drugs, including alcohol, amphetamines, cocaine, marijuana, and opiates, can further exacerbate ED. These substances can suppress the central nervous system and damage blood vessels, potentially leading to long-term erectile dysfunction. It's important to note that the severity of these side effects can vary depending on the individual, the dosage, and the duration of use. If you're concerned about the impact of your medications on your sexual health, don't hesitate to talk to your doctor. They can provide personalized advice and help you make informed decisions about your treatment options. Section 5. Understanding the mechanisms. How drugs sabotage your erection. To effectively address erectile dysfunction, it's crucial to understand how drugs interfere with your body's ability to achieve and maintain an erection. Many medications disrupt the delicate balance of blood flow to the penis. This flow is essential for achieving and sustaining an erection. Medications like beta blockers, for instance, can restrict blood flow, making it difficult to achieve the necessary pressure for an erection. Other medications can disrupt the nervous system, which plays a crucial role in sexual arousal and response. Antidepressants, for example, can interfere with the transmission of signals between the brain and the penis, making it difficult to achieve or maintain an erection. Hormonal imbalances caused by certain medications can also contribute to erectile dysfunction. Medications like statins can affect the production of testosterone, a hormone essential for a healthy libido and erectile function. By understanding the mechanisms behind drug-induced erectile dysfunction, you can work with your doctor to find alternative treatments or adjust your dosage to minimize these side effects. Section 6. Your doctor. Your partner in navigating erectile dysfunction. If you're experiencing ED and suspect your medication might be the culprit, your doctor is your most valuable ally. Never stop taking any medication without consulting them first. Doing so could have serious consequences for your health. Your doctor can help you determine if your medication is indeed the root cause of your ED. They can also explore alternative treatment options or adjust your current dosage to minimize side effects. Your doctor can also assess your overall health and identify any underlying conditions that might be contributing to your ED. They can recommend lifestyle changes such as diet and exercise to improve your overall health and potentially alleviate ED symptoms. Remember, open and honest communication with your doctor is key to finding the best solution for your ED. Don't hesitate to discuss your concerns and ask questions. Your doctor is there to help you regain control of your sexual health. Section 7. Lifestyle changes, fueling your body for better performance. While medication adjustments can be helpful, lifestyle changes can significantly improve your erectile health. Maintaining a healthy weight through diet and exercise can make a world of difference. Obesity is a major risk factor for ED, as it can lead to hormonal imbalances and reduced blood flow to the penis. Regular exercise, especially aerobic exercise, can improve cardiovascular health and boost blood flow throughout the body, including the penis. Quitting smoking is crucial, as smoking damages blood vessels and restricts blood flow, increasing the risk of ED. Limiting alcohol consumption is also essential, as excessive alcohol intake can suppress the central nervous system and interfere with sexual function. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Start by incorporating more fruits, vegetables, and whole grains into your diet. Find an exercise routine you enjoy and can stick to. Your body will thank you for it, both in and out of the bedroom. Section 8. Alternative treatments. Exploring options beyond medication. If lifestyle changes and medication adjustments aren't providing sufficient relief, alternative treatments might be worth exploring. Acupuncture, for example, has been used for centuries to treat various ailments, including ED. While more research is needed to confirm its effectiveness, some studies suggest that acupuncture can improve blood flow and reduce stress, potentially improving erectile function. Therapy can also be beneficial, especially if stress, anxiety, or depression contribute to your ED. A therapist can help you address these underlying psychological factors and develop coping mechanisms to manage stress and improve your overall well-being. Open communication with your partner is also crucial. Discussing your concerns and fears can help alleviate anxiety and strengthen your emotional connection, making intimacy more enjoyable. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all solution for ED. What works for one person might not work for another. It's essential to work closely with your healthcare provider to determine the best course of treatment for your individual needs. Section 9. Seeking personalized guidance, your path to a fulfilling sex life. This essay provides general information about ED and its potential causes. It is not intended to replace professional medical advice. If you are experiencing ED, it is crucial to consult with a qualified healthcare professional for personalized guidance. They can assess your individual circumstances, identify any underlying health conditions, and recommend the most appropriate treatment options for your specific needs. Remember, ED is a common condition that affects millions of men. It is often treatable with the right approach. Don't let shame or embarrassment prevent you from seeking help. Taking charge of your health and seeking professional guidance is the first step towards regaining control of your sexual health and enjoying a fulfilling sex life.